It's language time. I hope that you are ready, because I'm not. Take out a piece of paper. Sorry. That's gonna be edited out. Boom. Okay, ready? Start again. It's language time. Take out a piece of paper, scrap, clean, mom's receipts, you know, the phone book. I don't know. I don't even know if they still have those, but whatever you have to write on, take out something that you can write on. And I've got some words here on the board that you are going to be looking at. If I can get it where it's supposed to go. There we go. Okay, so the first word is January. Right there. January. The next word is Mr. The next word is September. You don't have to write these down, but just listen. So it's January, Mr., September, then Monday, street, and Saturday. January, Mr., September, Monday, street, and Saturday. And what you are going to do with those words is you are going to abbreviate them, okay? So you're going to abbreviate January. You're going to abbreviate Mr. You're going to abbreviate September. You're going to abbreviate Monday. You're going to abbreviate street. And you're going to abbreviate Saturday. So stop the video here so you can do your abbreviations. And you can see the words January, Mr., September, Monday, street, Saturday, and abbreviate those words. Okay, I'm not going to do it just yet because I'm going to give you time so you're not just looking and going, oh, Miss Monroe's going to do it for us anyway. No, not going to. Not until afterwards. Okay, so stop the video there and then abbreviate those 6 words on your paper. We'll check them in just a minute, and I will be checking to make sure that you're checking and doing it correctly. But I'm going to read some sentences to you. When I read these sentences, we're going to listen to see if the subjects and verbs agree. Remember, we've talked about subject-verb agreement. When we have a singular subject, what kind of verb are we going to be looking for? When we have a plural subject, what kind of a verb are we looking for? So it's very important that we are thinking these through. So listen carefully. If the subjects and verbs agree, you are doing 3 jumping jacks. If the subject and verb do not agree, you're getting down and you're doing 2 push-ups. So if it's correct, you get to do 3 jumping jacks. If it's incorrect, you get down and you do 2 push-ups. Okay? Good ones. All right. So, first sentence. Ian weren't finished with his poster. Ian weren't finished with his Yes, you should be down. All right, fine. I've got to get my slippers off. Ready. 1, 2. All right, good. All right, now, next one. Olivia and John are working in the yard today. Olivia and John are working in the yard today. 2, 3. Good, yes. Lizards is my favorite animals. Lizards is my favorite animal. Yeah, that's incorrect. Get down. 1, 2. Did you get 2? I did. Whew, okay. Next one. Harry wasn't hungry at lunchtime. Harry wasn't hungry at lunchtime. Very good. That's correct. Did I do 3? I don't even know how many I'm doing. So Harry, singular. We use the singular verb. Wasn't. My dogs wasn't excited about the snow. My dogs wasn't excited about the... Right. Not wasn't. Ready. Down. 1, 2. Oh, that was good. Oh, got my exercise in today. Partially. We'll have to do some more later. But, all right. So Ian, it says Ian weren't. Why is that incorrect? Because Ian is singular, so we should use what? Wasn't. Good. Ian wasn't finished. Olivia and John are plural. Are is plural. Lizards is, if you have the S, lizards means it's plural. So we use the plural verb are. Lizards are my favorite animals. Harry wasn't, singular, singular. My dogs wasn't. My dogs weren't. Very good, because it's plural. We use plural, so that's very important. Good. I'm very pleased that you were able to get those down so well. Thinking, and don't forget those, because that's very important. All right, we should have had this out, but I forgot. Have been dealing with our parts of speech, not dealing with, learning and enjoying learning our parts of speech. We've learned our noun, which is the name of a person, place, or thing. I hope you looked at the parts of speech songs video so you can prepare for those and know those. So noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. Verb is a word that usually shows action, and then there are some non-action verbs like our helping verbs or being verbs. We have adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Good. And then our adverb, a word that describes a verb. That's what we've been just learning more lately. We've gotten those adverbs down. Think carefully as you're looking for those adverbs. Ask the question to your verb. How, when, and how often. Okay, so we didn't do where, but that is another question that you can ask, but how, when, and how often. And then we did pronouns. Pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Well, I want to show you just a couple of things that I have. Just simple things. But I have, what is this? Some of you might know. A glue gun, right? That's a glue gun. And I have tape. What do these things have in common with each other? A glue gun and tape. What will they do? How would I, like, why did I put them together? What's similar about them? I think some of you got where I'm going with this. When I use tape, what does it do? It puts something together, right? When I use my glue stick, what am I doing? My glue gun, I'm putting things together, okay? With our glue and our tape, we use them to connect. And that's a very important thing, is that we use them to connect things, join things, put things together. So when we're wanting to take two things or two sides of something and put it together, we use glue or we use tape many times. Well, I want you to listen to these sentences that I'm going to read and see what is missing in these sentences. And this is going to help us to understand why we have the glue and the tape, because we're going to need something to join them. Nathan enjoys basketball, baseball. Wait, what? Nathan enjoys basketball, baseball? Is there a game called basketball, baseball? No. What word is missing? And. Nathan enjoys basketball and baseball, right? That word would connect, that little word and would connect those two words together to make that sentence make sense. Would you ask mom, dad for the key? Who? Would you ask mom, dad for the key? Mom or dad, or you could even say mom and dad. We could use and again, but we could say or. Either and or are missing. Would you ask mom or dad for the key? Would you ask mom and dad for the key? Okay, that just little word, but it makes a big difference in the sentence. It joins those two words together, mom and dad. And here's another one. When I saw that spider in my bedroom, I yelled, jumped. Wait, what? When I saw that spider in my bedroom, I yelled, jumped. Yelled, jumped. I mean, it's hard to even say it properly. I yelled and jumped, okay? We wouldn't say yelled or jumped, we would say and, because she probably did both, okay? I yelled and jumped. Sometimes we need to join words in a sentence. We might need to join two nouns like basketball and, I'm gonna join that, basketball and baseball, okay? We also would be joining together two words like mom or dad. Okay, we're joining those two words together, mom or dad. And so we use words just like that glue, tape, even if I had staples to join the things together. Special words in a sentence join that words in a sentence together. The words that we use for joining in a sentence are called conjunctions. And conjunctions are connecting words that join two words or phrases, word phrases together. So that's where we are today. Now you're like, oh, we finally finished all of those parts of speech on this chart. And that last part said there are more, but for now, this is the last one. We're going to do our conjunctions. And it says conjunctions, what do? Join. They join words or groups of words. So conjunctions join or connect words or groups of words. And you know how that works, third grade. What am I going to say? I've got a song for that. Of course I do. So that's our last song that we get to learn from here. But it's another very cute and fun song. Let me see if I can find it. Here it is. Conjunctions connect. And so we just gave you some words already. I told you and. Okay. And is a conjunction, or is another conjunction, but is another conjunction that will connect, okay? So this is what our song has. There's other words too. We're just going to talk about those three, but this song will help you to connect some of those words as well. And it goes like this. Conjunctions connect, and I'll try to help, for you can't succeed unless I intercede. Conjunctions connect, as you soon will see, if you stay around until your word is found. Conjunctions connect, but I need a clue or a day or two, because this case is tough. So every time I kind of emphasize that word, those were conjunction words. And, as, for, if, unless, until, but, or, because. All of those are conjunctions, and they're connecting words. And that's important to help you learning conjunctions. So conjunctions, what do? They connect. They join words or groups of words. Conjunctions join words or groups of words. Now I will add that song to our other video, which I probably will leave that other video and just add this as a separate song. I don't know. We'll see. But because of time's sake, I don't want to keep staying there for too long. Now, really quickly, we are going to review what we were just doing here at the top. Hopefully you wrote yours down already. The correct abbreviation for January should be capital, don't forget, J-A-N period. Hopefully you did that one correctly. Then for Mr., capital M-R period. You got that, right? I know you did. You're smart. Then September, capital S-E-P-T period. September's capital S-E-P-T period. If you put capital S-E-P period, that's fine, but this is more of what would be correct. Capital S-E-P-T period. Then Monday, capital M-O-N period. You all got that, I know, right? Street, capital S-T period. And then Saturday, capital S-A-T period. Did you get those? I knew you would. So definitely review and make sure that you remember each of those, because those are important. Now I've got some words at the bottom that I want you to see, some sentences, and we are using our connecting words, our conjunctions, but you are just going to fill in the words around the conjunctions. So I have blank and blank are friends. And we could put down any two names in here. We could say Jack and Jill are friends, okay? Jack and Jill are friends. So, and is our connecting word that we have here. They like to blank and blank outside. I was thinking they like to run and jump outside, right? And again, and is our connecting word that connects the words run, jump, okay? We don't say they like to run, jump outside. No, they like to run and jump outside. It's connecting them correctly. You may choose blank or blank for a snack. We just talked about all this goodness and health yesterday, so I'm going to say you may choose oranges or cucumbers for a snack. Sorry, Elsie, no donut, okay? Oranges or cucumbers for a snack because we want healthy snacks, so we're not malnutritioned. Okay, and then the last one. So, or, sorry, is our connecting word here. Connecting two words together, two nouns together. And then I am wearing a blank, but I am still, and I thought, that's me. I'm wearing a jacket, but I am still cold. I am wearing a jacket, but I am still cold. And but is my joining word. But what is it joining? Is it joining two words? No, it's joining two word groups, groups of words. I am wearing a jacket, but I am still cold, okay? So it's joining two groups of words together, and that's what conjunctions do. Conjunctions join words or groups of words. Then, looking on your page, so we're just going to quickly turn to page 162. Page 162 in your language books. Look at the top of the page. A conjunction is a word used to join words or groups of words in a sentence, and, but, or. And then they give you some examples, okay? For time's sake, I'm not going to read those examples right now, but you can see the conjunctions there. Read those through. Think A, circle the conjunction in each sentence. How easy is that? And then think B, choose the best conjunction. Sometimes we would think, oh, like the ones that I asked you, would you ask mom, dad for the key? It could be mom and dad, or it could be mom or dad. Sometimes one is better than the other. So read the sentences carefully. Choose the best conjunction from the box to complete each sentence that's there. That's it. That's all you have to do on this page. How simple is that? And fun. You just got three little words. And, but, or are conjunctions. Conjunctions join. They connect. All right? So do well on this page. I'll look forward to seeing what you're doing. And I've got to check. I didn't get a chance to check yesterday for adverbs and adjectives that you guys sent in. I just didn't have time to get to that. So I'll try to do that today if I have a chance. And then I will read to you that story from yesterday that we have, if I have enough adverbs and adjectives. Okay? All right, so I will see you in the next video.